Hello, today in this video I will show you how to add progress bar in our WordPress post. Okay, first go to plugin section and add new plugin, and the plugin name is or the read. And first one install now. Active. Okay, first check our admin post. Okay, progress bar add or not. Refresh. And read more. Progress not add. Okay, then here the option or the read and reading progress. Display on post page and home page. Post and save change. Okay, then here the placement, progress bar placement. The header option is select and save change. Okay, and again refresh our website. And here we see the progress bar is add. Okay, zoom out my website and scroll down. You see move on my progress bar. Okay, and this is a placement is option is left hand and save change. And refresh. And here we see okay, progress bar is at our left hand side. Okay, thank you.